Hello everyone, today we're going to be opening up two of the brand new Pokémon TCG Scarlet Violet booster packs. So let's get started. So we're going to start with Gyarados, and inside of the blister pack is a Paldea Starters pack art. So let's open it up and see what we get. So here we are with the new silver borders. And so we have Slowpoke, Wattrel, Zangoose, Krogunk, Miriam, Rock Chestplate, Team Star Grunt, Reverse Holo Tropius, Reverse Holo Greavard, and a Skeledirge Holo card, as well as a Psychic Energy. Next up, we have a blister pack with the Paldea starters. The inside pack art is of Gyarados. So, we have a Magikarp, Magnemite, Tarantula, Pokemon Catcher, Heracross, Crocodile, Flamigo, Reverse Holo Citadel, Reverse Holo Houndstone, and a Toxicroak EX card, as well as a Dark Energy. So, the best cards we got in this opening were the Reverse Holo Tropius, Reverse Holo Greavard, Reverse Holo Houndstone, Reverse Holo Citadel, Holo Skeledirge, and a Toxicroak EX. Thank you guys for watching this video of the brand new Scarlet Violet set. See ya later.